1, 2, 3 start.
Dear students, today I will discuss about the chapter matrices. Matrices mainly used in your computer science and also your electrical engineering. That is to define the varieties of data arrangements in your computers and also to define your code systems. It is a plural form of your matrix. This is the plural form, this is your singular form. Matrices is the plural, matrix is your singular forms. What is meant by the matrix? It is the systematic arrangements of the elements known as the matrix. Such as, suppose C1 is a college which 11th class, 12th class and C2 is another college, C3 is equal to your another college. Number of students in C1 college at 11th class is equal to 45 number of students and in 12th class is equal to 49 number of students. In college C2, there are 35 number of students in 11th class and 32 number of students at 12th class and 69 number of students at first 11th class and 49 number of students suppose present in 12th class. If that is arranged in a systematic order, that is called to known as 5, 45, 49, 35, 32 and 69, 49. This system of arrangements known as your matrix. These are known as one elements of the given matrix, that is arranged by a particular square bracket either by these symbols. So this is called to known as your matrix system. If this is called to known as one elements, how to define the number of elements in rows? There are arrangements in 3 rows and 2 columns. Your horizontal lines known as rows and your vertical lines known as columns. So there are rows is 3 and a column is equal to 2. That is indicated by M and N. So in a matrix, number of entries in your given matrix is equal to divided by a particular order of systems. So that is equal to 3 rows and 2 columns. So that is equal to that order pairs is equal to 3 and 2 or 3 cross 2 order of matrix, where rows are 3 and a column is equal to 2. What do we mean by the systematic arrangements? Suppose in this case this arrangement is called known as systematic arrangements. Each row and each columns contains equal number of elements or equal number of entries. If you will try to arrange in these types of orders, suppose 45, 49, 35, 32 and 69, 49, this is the unsystematic of arrangements. This is not a systematic arrangements because In this case, in the first row contains 6 number of elements, but second row contains 2 number of elements. It is the unsystematic of arrangements. So at its definition known as the systematic arrangements of the elements known as or systematic array of the elements in a orders, that is called to known as your matrix of the systems. Dear students, suppose there are 10 number of entries. We can define by the matrix system A11, A12, A13, A14, A15, A21, A22, A23, A24 and A25. This is a system of arrangements. Each row contains 5 number of elements or entries. In this case, A is equal to 2 and N is equal to 5. Number of elements present in your given matrix is equal to n cross n. That is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. There are 10 number of entries in your given matrix. So students, this line is equal to row and this line is equal to another row. These are known as the columns. That is identified by Aij systems. What is Ij? I stands for row, J stands for column, where I less than equal to n and greater than equal to 1 and j less than equal to also n and greater than equal to 1. So that not equal to 0. So I less than equal to n and ij belongs to your natural numbers. This is your system of arrangements. So how to define number of elements, how to define the different orders of elements by using the different elements. Just like this, suppose 10 entries in your hands. This is one kinds of systematic arrangements. Another systematic kinds of arrangements is equal to A11, A21, A31, A41, A51, A22, A2, A12, A22, A32, A42 and A52. This is one kinds of arrangements. In these arrangements, each row contains 5 number of elements and each column contains 2 number of elements. But in these arrangements, there are each row contains only 2 elements and also each column contains 5 elements. Suppose another students may be arranged by this way: A11, A12, A13, A14, A15, A16, A17, A18, A19 and A110. This one kinds of arrangements. The reverse kinds of arrangements, just like this: A11, A21, A31, A41, A51, A61, A71, A81 and A91 and also A101. How many kinds of different types of arrangements? This is one kinds of arrangements. This is a kinds of arrangements. This is a kinds of arrangements. This is another kinds of arrangements. So by using 10 number of entries, we can arrange different types of 4 different order of arrangements. Each kinds of arrangements known as one order types of arrangements. This order is equal to 1 cross 10, this order 2 cross 5, this order 5 cross 2, this order is equal to 10 cross 1. Then how is it possible to define always to arrange this system? No, because suppose this is a formula, suppose 10 number of entries. How many number different kinds of order of elements can be arranged in the matrix? Then divided by 2, that is equal to 5. So that's 2 into 5. Then power of 2 is equal to 1 and 5 is equal to 1. Then this is equal to 2 plus 1, 5 plus 1. So this is equal to 2, this is equal to 2. Product of 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So by using 10 number of different elements, we can define 4 different orders of matrices. Another example, suppose by using 12 number of elements, how can I define the different orders of a matrix? So that is equal to 12, then 2 is 6, then divide with 2, then 3. That is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3, because 2 into 2 is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3. So power of 3 is equal to 1, power of 2 is equal to 2. That is equal to 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. That is equal to 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. We can arrange 6 types of different order of matrix by using the 12 numbers of elements. Just like this, another case, so that is equal to possible known as 1 cross 6, 1 row and 12 columns. Suppose 1, 2, 3 up to 12. That is equal to by A11, A12, just like A112. This is one kinds of arrangements. That is equal to 1 row and 12 columns. Another order is equal to 12 cross 1, just like A11, A21, dot up to A12, In this case, each elements in one row, we know that I stands for rows and J stands for columns. I less than equal to n and greater than equal to 1, and J that is equal to less than equal to n and greater than equal to 1, where m and n both I and j that is equal to I and j belongs to natural numbers. Just all are belongs to one are natural numbers. So according to 12s, 1 cross 12, 12 cross 1, another is equal to possible 3 cross 4, 4 cross 3, and 6 cross 2 and 2 cross 6. Then 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. There are 6 kinds, but 6 different order of matrix can be defined by using 12 number of elements. So this is the one short questions for yourself. Maybe come your examination, how many different order of matrix can be defined by using 32 number of elements. First, we try to define, then divide by 2, 16, then 2, 8, then 2 is equal to 4, then 2 is equal to 2. That is equal to 2 to the power 5. And 2 to the power 5 means 5 plus 1. There are 6 numbers of different order matrix can be obtained by using 32 numbers of elements. Just like that is equal to 1 cross 32, 32 cross 1, that is equal to 1 arrangements. Then 8 cross 4, 4 cross 8. Then another is equal to 16 cross 2, 2 cross 16. But more than that, this is the difference arrangements to define the decimals. So that is equal to 6 kinds of different order elements, different order of matrix can be defined by using 32 numbers of elements. Just like your 6 elements. How many different order of matrix can be obtained by using 6 number of elements or 6 number of entries? How can I define? The decimals of that is equal to 2, then 3. That is equal to 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1. That is equal to 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. The power is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. That is equal to 1 cross 6, 1, then 6 cross 1, another 3 cross 2, and a 2 cross 3. Not more than that. This is the formula to define the different orders of matrix by using different numbers of elements. So next video I will discuss about other parts of matrix. Goodbye.